Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara and welcome back to my fashion and lifestyle channel. So guys, today I have for you a luxury unboxing. I wanted to share with you something from my wish list item, which you should have already caught my wish list video. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link that in the card so you can watch that before you watch this. As I said in my last video, I wanted to be a little bit more intentional in my purchase, and I wanted to add a few items, kind of luxury pieces to my item that I feel that I will have in my collection for a very long time. So the first item that I picked up today, I did also mention in that video that I will be looking at purchasing items kind of from the pre-loved market, because I feel like that is a great way to kind of get designer pieces at a discounted price, and you know, obviously not the really kind of things that are that everybody's after, because you probably will spend 50% more on those items than you would if you just bought it brand new in the store. So as I said, one of the items that I have had on my wish list, I found on the website Designer Exchange. I have been watching these Designer Exchange hauls for a very long time, and I decided to just go and have a look and see if there's something that I wanted from Designer Exchange, and I found my dream piece of item. So this is a bag that I have been coveting for quite a long time, and the only reason that I had not gotten this item is just because I was just like, I don't think I want to spend that much money on items. But actually, when as I said in my last haul, when you think about it and you think about all the items, when I think about it and I think of how much money I spent in like high street stores such as H&M and Zara and all those places, and these are pieces that I probably use a couple of times, get bored of, and then don't wear it again. I just thought actually I wanted to be a bit more sustainable, and I want to be a little bit more intentional, and I picked up this item. So I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to show you the item that I picked up. So I found it on the website. I ordered it, and I found, you know, I'll show you the bag and then I'll kind of go through my process and the customer service and things like that. So it comes in this kind of box. I'm not going to show you the front because it's got my address on there. So it comes in a box like that. What came in the Designer Exchange duster bag, it didn't have a duster bag of its own. What was interesting is that when I got the item, I picked it up, and then you know, you buy it and then you get that kind of feeling, and I was like, oh, okay. And then they emailed me and said, oh, sorry, we made a mistake on the order. We said it came with the original dust bag, but it doesn't come with the original dust bag. It comes with the Designer Exchange dust bag. Does that change your mind about getting the item? Do you want to cancel the order? And I was like, oh, maybe this is a sign for me to cancel this order. Then I thought, you know what? No, Lara, this is something that you wanted for a long time, and it's a pretty basic bag. I think everybody's had it. I think the whole world is over this bag, but in true Lara form, I get things when everybody's over it. I'm just like, I don't like when things are hyped up. I'm not interested. And then when people get over it, I'm like, now I want to get it. Which means that when this item I've got in for probably about 50% less of the retail price than I would have gotten it if it was in store. So I will just open the bag and stop boring you with my story. So the bag that I picked up from Designer Exchange is this absolutely beautiful Givenchy Antigona bag. I picked it up in a mini. I love croc print, or snake print is a snake print. So I love how this bag, and I kind of love the size. I think this is a great bag that I would be able to kind of wear in the evening, and then I could also wear this during the day. It is in this kind of cream color, and I said in my luxury wish list video that this is a color that I was really wanting, and I'm really glad I was able to add to my collection. It comes with a zip at the top and opens up that way, and there is a strap which you just kind of, so yeah, so it comes with a long strap, and yeah, so and then it's got the Givenchy sign at the front there. I haven't taken off the tags yet. Oh gosh, I don't know. Yeah, so I'll take that off following this video. Yeah, so it's obviously Designer Exchange also have like a returns policy, so you can return the bag if it comes and you're not happy with the purchase, or you just change your mind for whatever reason. So this bag, I guess the only issues with the bag is just that the scales are kind of lifting up with the bag. So yeah, that's the bag for you. I will just show you around. Yeah, so in the inside of the bag it comes with with a side zip. Then it also has a little pouch here, which I guess you could keep your sunglasses, and then it's got a place where you can put your card. So as I said, this is a bag that I've actually been wanting to get for a very long time, and I'm really super excited that I've picked it up and in this color. So I can see that on the feet there's probably just a little bit of discoloration from where it's probably just sat on the table and stuff. Otherwise the bag is in pretty decent condition, and I look forward to going on holiday and wearing this on my holiday, guys. So obviously I have not used the bag yet, but I guess when we are able to go out, or when I start using the bag, I will give you a review on my thoughts of the bag. So yeah, that is the first item that I picked up from my luxury wish list, and I'm super glad that I was able to add that bag to my collection. So guys, that is it for my video this week. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel again. Thank you for unboxing my beautiful Givenchy Antigona bag with me. And as I said, I am super excited that I've been able to add that to my collection. And if you're not following me, guys, on my channel, make sure that you do so. Make sure you click on that notification bell so that you get a notification every single time I post a video. And I think what I'll do is, in my next video, I may do, don't quote me because I've got so many videos that I'm trying to film at the moment. I may film a styling video on how I would style my Givenchy bag. As I said, I picked it up from the Designer Exchange. They obviously sell pre-loved items. They also exchange your designer items. So for instance, if you have a designer bag and you see one on their website that you like, you can always contact them and say, I've got this bag and can we do an exchange? And obviously you send them the bag, or you take your bag in. They obviously authenticate it, check that it is a real bag, and then they will give you a price, and then you can exchange that way. So I'm super excited, guys, to have this bag and to obviously show you how I will style it. And as I said, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. I will leave my Instagram handle so you can also go and follow me on there. And thank you very much for watching my video, guys, and I hope you have an amazing week or weekend, whatever you are doing. And thank you, guys. Bye.